The iPhone SE4 is making waves in the tech community once again. A fresh wave of leaks suggests it could be equipped with Apple's cutting-edge A18 chip, creating significant buzz about its performance and positioning in Apple's lineup. Let's dive into everything we know about the iPhone SE4, iPad Air, and the 2025 iPad 11, including the rumored specifications, release timelines, and what these devices mean for Apple enthusiasts. iPhone SE4. Game-changing chip details. Recent reports from reliable sources indicate that the fourth-generation iPhone SE will feature a chip labeled T840. This label is closely tied to Apple's A18 and A18 Pro Bionic chips. Given the Southeast lineup's history as a budget-friendly option, experts widely believe the standard A18 chip will power the iPhone SE4. This is a major leap for the SE series, offering a significant performance boost over its predecessors. The A18 chip is expected to bring enhanced processing power and energy efficiency, making it a competitive device for users who want flagship-level performance at an affordable price. Adding more credibility to the leak, insider reports reveal that the iPhone SE4 will ship with iOS 18.3, carrying version number 22D862. This firmware is said to be specifically designed to optimize the SE4's hardware capabilities. Release date and specifications. The iPhone SE4 is rumored to make its debut in March or April 2025. Along with its powerful chip, the device is expected to boast a 6.1-inch OLED display for richer colors and deeper blacks, Face ID for advanced security and convenience, a single 48MP rear camera, potentially redefining photography in its price range, USB-C connectivity, aligning with Apple's shift across its product lineup, Apple's first self-developed 5G modem, designed for improved network reliability and speed. If these leaks hold true, the iPhone SE4 could be a standout device, bridging affordability and innovation in ways we haven't seen before. iPad Air 2025. M3 or M4 chip. The 2025 iPad Air is shaping up to be a powerhouse, with conflicting rumors about its processor. Some insiders claim it will feature the M3 chip, currently found in the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and 24-inch iMac. However, other reports suggest that Apple might surprise us by upgrading the iPad Air to the M4 chip, a more advanced iteration of the M-series processors. This speculation isn't baseless. Apple recently refreshed the iPad Air with the M2 chip in May 2024, so a jump to the M4 in 2025 would align with their aggressive upgrade cycle. If true, this could position the iPad Air as an even stronger alternative to the iPad Pro, blurring the lines between the two product lines. Key rumored features. Here's what we know so far about the iPad Air 2025. Display. A sleek liquid retina display with advanced color accuracy. Processor. Either the M3 or the M4 chip, depending on how Apple plans to differentiate it from the Pro models. Design. Continuation of the slim, lightweight aluminum build. OS. Ships with iPadOS 18.3, carrying version numbers 22D260 and 22D262. iPad 11. A new standard in affordability. The next-generation iPad 11 is also under the spotlight, with rumors suggesting it will be powered by the A16 chip. While this might seem underwhelming compared to the A17 Pro or A18 chips, it still represents a significant upgrade for Apple's entry-level iPad lineup. However, some experts remain skeptical about the A16 rumor, as Apple's focus on machine learning and AI capabilities requires robust chipsets. Despite this, the iPad 11 is likely to cater to casual users, offering a balance between performance and affordability. What to expect? Performance. A16 chip for improved multitasking and app performance. Design. Retains the classic iPad aesthetic with slight refinements. OS. Ships with iPadOS 18.3, optimized for seamless performance. Target audience. Students and casual users seeking an affordable yet capable tablet. What sets these devices apart? What's exciting about these leaks is Apple's consistent effort to innovate across all price points. The iPhone SE4 stands out as a budget-friendly powerhouse, potentially offering premium features like Face ID and OLED displays to a wider audience. Similarly, The iPad Air could rival the iPad Pro with the rumored inclusion of the M4 chip, while the iPad 11 continues to make Apple's ecosystem more accessible to first-time buyers. Release timelines and expectations. iPhone SE 4, expected in March or April 2025. iPad Air and iPad 11, likely to launch in late 2025, aligning with Apple's annual product refresh cycle. Join the conversation. What are your thoughts on the rumored specs of these devices? Do you think Apple is making the right moves with the iPhone SE 4, iPad Air, and iPad 11? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Review for the latest updates. For exclusive leaks and behind-the-scenes discussions, join our Telegram channel, link in the description. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting tech content.